At this time of year, it's wonderful to send and receive Christmas cards. And here in the CBeebies house, we like to make our very own cards, just like these ones here. And we hope you enjoy making some cards too.
This is how you can make one. We're using some blue paper, and you can use any coloured card or paper. You need some paints and 2 little twigs. Now the first thing you need to do is fold your piece of paper or card in half. So join the edges, and then using your finger, make a crease along the side like that. There you go. And then make sure you've got an envelope that's the right size for your card. Yep, we both have, brilliant. Now let's do the fun part. Get your twigs and then dip them, I'm using some brown paint here, into the paint like that. And then I'm going to make a print on the card like this. And make sure you press down really firm to make sure it prints well. Let's have a look, ready? Oh, yes. Brilliant! Okay, let's do the other one. This one's a bit longer, so I'll start there. And then I'll dip there. Oh, it's a bit messy.
It's nice getting your fingers messy.
Ready, then join them like that, so it's a little bit lower, and then print down.
Look at that. It looks like the branches of a tree.
Oh, it looks brilliant. Now it's time to add our robin. So get your thumb, dip it into the brown paint, and then on the top branch, do a big thumbprint.
And there you have your robin's body. Once the paint has dried, your card might look a little something like this. And now it's time to give our robin a red breast. So I'm going to put my little finger in the paint. You don't need too much paint. And put it on the bottom like that. Here's our little robin redbreast. But he also needs some eyes. And I'm going to use the end of a paintbrush because it's nice and round. If I dip it in to the white paint, I'll give him 1 and 2. And you can also use the paintbrush to add some pretty snow to the branches of the tree. Like that.
And then when it's dry, it's time to add the wings and the beak of your little robin. So I'm using a black felt tip pen here. And if you watch carefully, I do a little triangle down there for the beak. And then along the side and up. Along the side and up for the wings. And then I'm going to give him little feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And now all he needs are some beady eyes.
1 in the middle there. And then 1 in the middle there. Oh, there we go.
A homemade Christmas card. And you can add extra decoration to your cards, like we have here. We've stuck some of them to bigger pieces of coloured card, and we've added coloured glitter. We just hope you enjoy making and sending your homemade Christmas cards.